4 most effective ways to keep kids motivated while learning Mandarin. Learning Mandarin is popular but challenging for non-Chinese families. Motivation is crucial for success. Here are 4 key strategies to keep kids motivated in learning Mandarin. 1. To keep kids motivated in learning Mandarin, use their interests like songs. Tailoring lessons to what excites them keeps learning fun and engaging. 2. Using fun methods like apps, games, language exchange, and Mandarin engaging. E-Chinese learning offers a relaxed and enjoyable way to learn. 3. Setting small, achievable goals in Mandarin, celebrating progress or screen time keeps kids motivated and engaged in learning. 4. Family involvement, like singing Chinese songs, watching movies with cultural events, reinforces Mandarin learning and connects children to the language and culture. Interested in having your kid learn Chinese online? Sign up for a free trial, leaving a comment below, and we will contact you as soon as possible.